Subscribe to Alvitech and click the notification icon to get notified about all our future videos.
So, in this video, I will be showing you how do you make images like this one with your iOS and Android if you're rich. So, let's move right to the video. Hey guys, the samples of the images that you were just shown were called vector images, and in the adjacent or the following video I will be showing you how do you get those vector or perfect images. Let's jump onto the video. I hope it's peaceful. Bye. So if you own an iOS or an Android device, both can be used platform to get vector images. So first of all, you need to make the borders alongside the where you need to make vector images. So I've made the border to make the time pass less. Then you need to click at the color and just click at this and mark at your face. So this is your skin color, and then tap on it, boom. Tap on it, boom. Tap on here too and zoom for perfectness. Tap on here too. And then I got to have my hair done. So for that, I will click at the color icon. Color here black is very good. And then I have my black color, and after then I also want to have my t-shirt look black, so I just click black here, and all these things. So these make a perfect vector images in sort of 3 times. So if you have liked the video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, because that inspired me to make such videos for you guys very soon. Bye.